Hello friends, today I would like to share with you the 3 facts which I strongly believe and which I have learned from the experience working in the pharmaceutical industry. First fact is that the cost of not following the CGMP is more and multiple folds than the cost of following the CGMP. Many times it's thought that the arrangements or facilities which are to be provided is very costly to follow the good manufacturing practices, to follow the good laboratory practices, to follow the good engineering practices. But if you will think in the long term, then you will think that due to not following the good manufacturing practices, due to not following the good laboratory practices, due to not following the good engineering practices, what can happen? It might be possible that some non-compliance may be created in your site, and this non-compliance may be minor, this non-compliance may be major, and this non-compliance may be critical. And what will happen if any regulatory enforcement action is triggered for your site due to these non-compliances? You know that your organization will not able to generate any revenue for 1 year. Approximately, it will not be able to generate any revenue or income for the 1 year, and it takes time to resolve the issues. And another thing, that the customers will not give you any business because you are not you are not manufacturing the product of the good quality. So the business loss is there, and your brand value and the value of your company's share is going to decrease. So what will be benefit by not following the compliance or not following the good manufacturing practices, good laboratory practices, and good engineering practices, and so on? So this is the comparison that many times, to save the cost, the huge non-compliance losses are happens to the organizations. And another thing is that many times it's thought that to follow the compliance, huge cost is involved, but it's wrong. Many times only right mindset and right attitude is required to follow the good manufacturing practices, good documentation practices, good laboratory practices, and good engineering practices. So many times people keep on postponing their work. They don't do the entries, they are not doing online documentations, they are taking the things for granted. So there are many things in which the right attitude and right mindset is involved to follow the compliance. So the higher management should bring and develop the culture and develop the right mindset to the employees in the organizations, so that they will work in line with those purpose and in line with that in line with the quality and manufacturing the product of the good quality. So these were the thoughts which I wanted to share with all of you. And I would also like to tell you that in my every post and in my every video, I try to bring some new knowledge for all of you, and I try to share the practical knowledge with all of you, which may help you taking the decisions in your career. This knowledge might help you not immediately, but in future whenever you will take decisions in your organizations. You know, knowledge is an ocean. Within one day no one learn each and everything, but if every day you will learn some small thing, if every day you will learn some thought which is useful for your growth, so in 30 days you are going to learn 30 new things or 30 facts or elements of your growth, then it is huge impact in your career and in your mindset. So I tried my best to add more and more value in your life. So I also request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you will be benefited with these thoughts and with the knowledge which I bring you in small chunks, and this is definitely going to help you taking decisions in your career. So today Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until I bring the new information and new knowledge for all of you. But do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.